In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add, update, or remove business info in the Doordash merchant portal. First, make sure you're signed in with an admin or manager profile. Only these roles have permission to change business details, so if you're using a regular staff login, you won't see the options we're about to cover. If you're unsure which role you have, check with whoever manages your store's Doordash access and switch to the appropriate profile before moving on. Once you're in the merchant portal, navigate to your specific store and open the Settings tab at the store level. This is important because edits made at the store level apply only to that particular location. If you manage multiple locations, verify you've selected the correct store by confirming the store name and location in the header before you start editing. Inside Settings, you can update key details such as your store name, address, contact number, and pickup instructions. Keep your store name consistent with your branding so customers recognize you instantly. When adjusting the address, confirm that the street information and any suite or unit details are accurate. This helps Dashers find you quickly and reduces delivery issues. If the portal shows a map preview, glance at the pin to ensure it lines up with your entrance or pickup area. For the contact number, use a line that is actively monitored during business hours. A reliable number allows Dashers and customers to reach you when needed, improving order flow and reducing cancellations. If you're refining pickup instructions, be as clear and concise as possible. Mention exactly where customers and Dashers should go, any parking notes, entry codes that are safe to share, or signage they should look for. Aim for instructions that someone visiting for the first time can follow without confusion. After you've made your edits, save your changes to update the information. You should see a confirmation in the portal that your updates were applied. It may take a short time for changes to reflect everywhere, so don't worry if you don't see them instantly in the consumer app. If something doesn't look right after a few minutes, refresh your browser and recheck that you edited the correct store location. That's it. Log in with the right permissions, head to the store level settings tab, make your adjustments, and save. Keeping your business info accurate helps customers find you, helps Dashers complete orders efficiently, and keeps your operations running smoothly. Thanks for watching, and keep your merchant portal details up to date for the best results.